welcome to Drilling Deeper at mining.com.au. I'm Oriel Morrison. Joining me today is Donald Garner, the MD of Iltani Resources. Donald, it's great to have you back with us again. Welcome.
It's good to see you again, Oriel. Thank you for having me.
Now, Donald, you are launching a new diamond drilling program at Orient. Give us a bit of an update.
Yeah, correct. So we started diamond drilling at Orient. The rig mobilised to Orient West on the 17th of April, and I think we're currently about 200 metres plus down the first hole. So the rig's going to do 2 diamond holes at Orient West, then 2 diamond holes at Orient East, and the diamond holes are going to feed information into the mining one for the JORC resource estimation. So the diamond holes are going to give us structural information, orientation of the veins, so we can better finesse the model, plus specific gravity data. Previously, mining one used a blanket specific gravity for both Orient West and Orient East. It was 2.7 at Orient West and 2.9 at Orient East. With the diamond holes, we'll be able to sample the host rock, the altered rock, the lower grade, medium grade and high grade mineralisation to get SGs for all the different types. Then we can use these to better inform the modelling process. So we do have massive sulphide veins, so we'd expect those to have a relatively high SG, significantly more than 2.7. So that will increase the influence of the high grade material in the JORC resource going forwards. Plus, as a geo, diamond core looks wonderful. It's really nice. It's really nice to see the mineralisation in the core and the alteration. So it will give us a better understanding of the style of mineralisation, the timing of mineralisation. So that will enable us to better explore through Orient as well going forward. Because these will be the first diamond holes that have been drilled at Orient since the early mid 1980s, and there was some diamond drilling done in the 70s, but the core from the 70s is disintegrated. So this is the first new core that we've got. So there's a lot of people who are excited to see the core, and I know that the GSQ, Geological Survey of Queensland, they're coming up the site to have a look at the core as well. So it's all good.
The potential is there. The potential is looking good, Donald.
Yeah. I mean, it's always with exploration, it's, glass half empty, glass half full, and as a geologist, you always try to be on the optimistic side. But yeah, it is looking good. So we'll just see how it goes. As always, the drill bit tells the truth. So yeah, up to the drilling and the assay results. This
is also simultaneous to your RC drilling program that's also happening.
Yeah, so the RC rig's currently at Orient West doing the JORC infill drilling. So the RC rigs at Orient West, and you've got the diamond rig at Orient West as well. Then they'll move to Orient East to keep on going.
So what do these two programs essentially mean for your exploration activities, in totality across Orient?
We will have, at the end of the programs, we'll have a JORC resource for Orient West, a JORC resource for Orient East. So that will give us a better basis for third parties to value the company, and it will show the market where we're going with Orient in totality. Because while we're doing the drilling, we'll also be flying the EM survey over Orient and into the Boonmoo Caldera, and the EM survey will help us understand the extent of the mineralisation at Orient outside the areas we're currently drilling to JORC resources. So that will enable us to better target those areas to increase our JORC resource and also increase the high grade component of the resource.
So just before I let you go, Donald, what's your expectation in terms of timeline and results?
From the RC drilling, we should have some results shortly, because we've been drilling for a month or so now. So as we drill, basically usually every week we submit a batch of samples to Intertek in Townsville for assay. And with the diamond hole coming to the end of the first hole, so the hole will be logged, then it'll be cut, then that'll go off for assay as well. So Intertek are saying 4 to 6 weeks after receipt of sample for assays. So yeah, that's as we drill, 4 to 6 weeks later we'll get the results. Of course, if we hit anything, there's always the option to go for visual assays to the market if we hit anything spectacular in the hole. And with diamond core, it looks so much better than RC. So we'll see what we get. So as ever, watch this space.
Watch the space. Absolutely. We'll be watching very closely. Donald, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much.